Most traders believe raw spread and zero spread accounts are basically the same. They're not. And choosing the wrong one can quietly cost you money on every single trade without you ever noticing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the real difference between XNES raw spread and zero spread. Two traders can use the exact same strategy, enter at the same price, exit at the same time, and still get very different results. It looks small, almost harmless, but when you trade frequently, it compounds fast. For scalpers and active traders, even a fraction of a pip can decide whether a strategy survives or dies. Ignore spread long enough, and it becomes an invisible tax on your account. XNES Raw Spread Account explained. That's why raw spread is favored by professional traders, scalpers, and high-volume traders who care about consistency and hate pricing surprises. XNES Zero Spread Account explained. The Zero Spread Account is designed to show zero spread on selected major instruments for most of the trading day. Instead of wider spreads, the cost is built into the commission or pricing structure. This account attracts traders who focus on major pairs and want ultra-tight pricing during high-liquidity market hours, especially for short-term trades. Raw spread vs. zero spread, the real difference. Over hundreds or thousands, one account can quietly be much more expensive than the other. Which account fits your trading style? If you focus mainly on major pairs and trade during peak market hours, zero spread can be effective. There is no universal best account. The smartest choice depends on how you trade, not on marketing words like zero, the biggest mistake most traders make. They ignore commissions, execution behavior, and how fees compound over time. That mistake doesn't wipe you out instantly. It drains your account slowly, trade after trade. Smart traders don't chase labels, they focus on total cost. Here's the advantage most traders completely miss. When you register on XNES using the partner code FC219CBWSS, you receive 20% lifetime cashback on your trading fees. This applies to both raw spread and zero spread accounts. You don't trade more. You simply keep more of what you already earn, forever. The truth about welcome bonuses. Let's clear this up honestly. XNES does not consistently offer a fixed welcome bonus. The real long-term value is lower trading costs, and the 20% lifetime cashback beats any short-term promotion. Important risk warning: lower spreads and cashback reduce costs, but they do not remove risk. Always manage risk properly, use sensible position sizing, and never trade money you cannot afford to lose. If you already plan to trade on XNES, waiting only increases the chance of missing better conditions. Final benefit-driven call to action. If you want to trade with lower costs and keep more of your profits, click the link in the description. Register on XNES using the partner code FC219CBWSS Choose the raw spread or zero spread account that fits your strategy, and lock in 20% lifetime cashback on your trading fees. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want a deeper comparison or real trade examples. Trade smart, control your costs, and I'll see you in the next one.